Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something every parent needs to know about, especially during viral season, the best nasal suction devices for your baby. Because let's face it, nothing is worse than seeing your little ones struggle to breathe. First up, we have the classic bulb syringe. This one's been around forever and is probably the cheapest option. The pros? It's simple to use and easy to find. But the cons? It can be difficult to clean and might not have enough suction power for really stubborn mucus. Plus, some babies just don't like it. Next, let's talk about the nasal aspirator. These are often battery-operated and come with a variety of nozzle sizes. The pros? They usually have stronger suction and many come with a built-in music feature to distract your baby. The cons? They can be a bit pricey and you'll need to keep up with battery replacements. Now, for something a bit more high-tech, the electric nasal aspirator. These gadgets come with adjustable suction levels and are super efficient. The pros, very effective at clearing even the toughest congestion, and they often have a sleek, ergonomic design. The cons, they're the most expensive option and can be a bit intimidating to use at first. Lastly, we have the Nose Frida. This one's a bit different because it uses a mouthpiece to create suction. The pros, it's highly effective and doesn't require batteries. The cons, some parents find the idea of using their mouth a bit off-putting, even though there's a filter to avoid any direct contact. So there you have it. Each of these devices has its own set of pros and cons. The best choice really depends on what you feel most comfortable using and, of course, what your baby tolerates best. Always remember to consult with your pediatrician before trying something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and stay healthy out there.